Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Shikha Prashant, lecturer of economics from the Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today, I would like to explain you about the types of demand in this video. The concept of demand and the law of demand is already explained in my previous video. So, types of demand is also an important component of the concepts of demand. So let's start with the types of demand. There are 5 types of demand as explained in this video. First, direct demand. Second one, indirect demand. Third, complementary or joint demand. Fourth, composite demand. And fifth, competitive demand. Now, let's know about each type of demand in detail. So, we start from the first type of demand, that is direct demand. It is the demand by the consumer for the goods which satisfy their wants directly. They serve direct consumption needs of the consumer. For example, demand for clothes, toys, pen, etc. Now, direct demand are those demands which are only for the consumption purpose by the final consumers. So, it is called direct demand because it serves the purpose of direct consumption. Now, the second one, that is called indirect demand. Indirect demand is also known as derivative demand. It refers to demand for goods which are needed for further production. It is the demand for producer good. For example, demand for machines in a textile industry. Now, generally, indirect demand is the demand of the producers for production of further goods. So it is also called secondary demand. It refers to demand for goods which are needed for further production. Like a producer need raw materials, machineries, labors for the production of final goods. So these demand of labor, raw material and machinery is called indirect demand because they are not directly demand for the consumption but they are demanded for further production of any particular good. Next, the third point or the third type of demand, that is complementary or joint demand. When two or more goods are demanded jointly to satisfy a single want, it is known as joint or complementary demand. For example, car, fuel, etc. Now, we have already know about the complementary goods, those goods which always use together and they can't be useful without the use of other. So the demand of such goods is called complementary demand or the joint demand. They are called joint demand because they are jointly used. Let's see in the picture that car and petrol, razor and blade, printer and ink. So this kind of goods are always used together with each other, and without the use of other one has no use. Let's proceed to the fourth point or the fourth type of demand. Composite demand. The demand for a commodity which can be put to several uses is known as composite demand. For example, electricity is demanded for several uses as light, fan, washing machine, factory, etc. Now, composite demand means demand of certain things which can be used in several uses. So, for all the purposes, the same thing is demanded. That is why it is called composite demand. Now, take an other example that for making ghee and curd, we need the same thing, that is milk. So, we can explain it as a composite demand. Next and the last type of demand, that is the competitive demand. It is demand for those goods which are substitute for each other. For example, tea and coffee, Pepsi and cola, etc. We know that there are substitute goods also available in the market which can be used at the place of other. So, the demand for those goods which can be used at the place of other are called competitive demand, because the price and demand of these goods are always in competition with each other. Like tea and coffee, when the price of tea increases, the demand of coffee will increase. Likewise, Pepsi and cola, etc. Now, these are the 5 types of demand which we have learned in this video. Now, thank you once again for watching this video. Thank you, Riven.